Hello, today I'm going to show you how to open and of course how to close your boot lid. After closing the boot lid, always check that the catch has yanked properly. The boot lid could otherwise open suddenly when the vehicle is moving. This could result in an accident, of course. The boot lid must always be completely closed when the vehicle is moving, otherwise toxic exhaust fumes can be drawn into the interior. The first thing is, of course, we have a remote control, and on that remote control key we have a boot or a car drawing with the boot lid. This button we can use on the remote control key for at least 1 second. This will unlock the boot lid, which will be then open slightly, of course. So we push on it and get it. Or we press the release catch on the boot lid, or we pull that switch on the driver's door. So you see, there are a lot of possibilities to open your boot lid. To close the boot lid, we can of course pull down the boot lid by the handle on the inside and let it drop into the latch. But this is only if you have not an automatic system, a powered operated boot lid, okay? Because the boot lid can be opened and closed automatically. The same, we press the boot lid button on the remote control key for a second or something, and then it will be open automatically. And close, you can of course push the button on the boot lid itself to automatically let it close, and you can push on the bottom of it. That means you have the release catch on the boot lid itself to open the system. Here we see it, we can move it and open that system. Of course, with the ignition switched on, we can pull and hold the boot lid button on the driver's door until the boot lid is closed. So we have a seat at the driver's side. We have to see there is that lever we can use for that. And of course we can press the boot lid button inside the boot lid to let it and move it down automatically. Applies for convenience key systems, we press and hold the boot lid button on the remote control key until the boot lid closes. We make sure to stand clear of the boot lid when doing so. The distance from the rear of the vehicle should be not more than 3 meters, okay? Or vehicles applied with a convenience key, we press the lock button inside the boot lid, and the remote control key should be within a range of about 1.5 meters from the luggage compartment. It should not be inside the vehicle. The boot lid will move down and close automatically, okay? Or we pull the boot lid gently by the handle on the inside, the boot lid will move down and close automatically too. And then we can press and release the catch on the boot lid itself, and the boot lid will move down and close automatically. You see, a lot of possibilities are possible to close and of course to open your boot lid. There are remote functions, but there are wired functions for this too, or there is a manual function. You see, a lot of possibilities. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and give me positive feedback and see you again on my channel. So.